Hi everyone, this is my short clip for monogastric digestive systems. So my chosen animal is a horse. So looking at the digestive anatomy, we start here at the mouth, make our way down to the esophagus, which is then responsible for moving the food to the stomach. In the stomach, there are enzymes that begin to break down the food. And then from here, we go into the small intestine. The nutrients are absorbed here. So this goes for carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals. And then from here, we move into the large intestine. I'm sorry, from here, we move into the cecum, which contains microbes that continue to break down the material and produce VFAs for energy. Now we move into the large intestine, which absorbs water, and VFAs are also absorbed for energy. So looking at the location of metabolism and digestion and absorption. So first we have protein. An example I have listed here is soybean. So once absorbed in the small intestine and stomach, they are transported to the liver to be later used as energy. And this is used to support the immune system of the animal and to provide energy to the muscles as well as aid with body movement. The absorption takes place in the small intestine, so the hormone secretin stimulates enzymes from the pancreas, and digestion begins in the stomach. Gastrin breaks down the proteins, which then leads to secretion of pepsinogen. Next, we have fats. An example I have listed is vegetable oils. So the fatty acids are converted into ATP, triglycerides, and transported throughout the body for energy. The absorption occurs in the small intestine, and the digestion, the emulsification allows for lipids to be dissolvable, and pancreatic lipase breaks down the fat into monoglycerides. Next, we have carbohydrates, example being simple sugars such as glucose. Once the glucose is in the bloodstream, it can be stored to be used as energy and converted into fat. Absorption occurs in the small intestine, and the enzymes begin the breakdown. They break down the disaccharides into monosaccharides. Next, we have vitamins, example being vitamin B. The stomach serves as a reservoir for short-term storage and digestion, where enzymes break down the feed components so that they may enter and be absorbed into the bloodstream. Any remaining undigested food travels into the small intestine, where it is broken down further, and after the small intestine has removed all available nutrients from the feed, the remaining material is passed into the large intestine. The absorption occurs in the small intestine, and the stomach secretes acid, which results in a low pH, which then destroys the bacteria and breaks down the materials. Looking at minerals, example we have listed as calcium. The stomach serves as a reservoir again, for short-term storage and digestion, where enzymes will break down the feed components so that they can be absorbed. The calcium is absorbed and used for muscle contractions and bone growth. The absorption occurs in the stomach and the intestines, and the stomach secretes the acid, which results in a lower pH. And again, the bacteria breaks down the materials. Sorry. And then we have our references here, and that's it for the monogastric system. Thank you.